going, everybody? Out here in Woodside, driving by the Alice's restaurant. Oftentimes a whole bunch of motorbikes out there. Not this morning. I've been out of town for like 2 months. Went to Ohio, saw all the biggest things, all the largest things. The world's largest outdoor chandelier, world's largest stamp, and the world's largest cuckoo clock before running out of things to do. Actually, I also saw the Mansfield Reformatory. That was pretty cool. From the prison from Shawshank Redemption. But I'm back in town now, doing what I do, mostly upsetting the neighbors and whatnot. Driving the tree guys nuts, trying to get out and explore some new areas. I've of course been to Woodside before, but I want to see if I can find this little red barn. I don't think it's open, but hopefully we can see it from the road. Yeah, gone for 2 months, just got back and about to head back out again, actually head for Texas. Good old Texas. No view from here. Area closed. Maybe we can see further up. Yeah, there it is. The Red Barn. Historical Honda. Guy's waiting for his sandwich. When I was in Ohio, I saw a commercial with this little place featured in it. Insurance commercial. Thought that was pretty hilarious. Apple Jacks. See what's up this way. Open Space Reserve. Is it open? Seems to be. Hey, another place to go for a hike. Sure is hazy up here. Don't know how much of this is smoke. Doesn't smell too smoky. When I landed in Frisco, it smelled like smoke pretty bad. Of course, from the Caldor or the Dixie Fire, one of the two, or both. Luckily, it's not making its way to my area, but that's unfortunate. For those in those areas, brings back memories. Not so good memories. See what old Honda looks like. This old road's rather nice. I don't know why they decided to make a new one. Tell you what, there's a lot more brown around here than there is in Ohio. That's one thing to miss. One lane road ahead. It kind of all seem like one lane. Yeah, I was supposed to go camping as soon as I landed too. Couldn't do that, too much smoke. Just saw a couple of those layback bikes. Road biking in luxury. Alright, back to Alice's. Going down this way. That's a bit. Always on the lookout for the Zuck around here. Haven't seen him yet. Kings Mountain Road. Love that road. Roberts Market and good old Bucks. The Little Store, homemade ice cream. Well, I'm thinking I'm gonna take a little rip up Kings Mountain Road on the way back home. Pretty busy down here, a little Woodside this morning. Woodside Post Office. Well, I think I'll end this one here. If you like this kind of stuff, like it and subscribe. See you guys next time, hopefully not too long. We'll see how things go.